fish all tacked up. Boom! Flex bellow so I can move a little bit. V-band right here so I can pull off the tip if I need to and not have to try to snake the whole down pipe out of there. Kind of fucked up on this because I had some other pie cut pieces like tacked together from an old setup I was going to do, so instead of just cutting a bunch, I just used that to make sure it was like going to be the right bend and was going to basically work. So it was all the same cut angles and everything, same number of pie, and I used the cut and tacked together the material I was using, and this was sticking out like another inch at least, just because I was thinking of cutting it and I don't know, doing something with it anyway. But yeah, now it's like way shorter and back behind here, so I'm imagining it's going to shrink even more when I weld it up. So probably behind the fender, I'm going to have to cut and splice and put a longer piece out here to do whatever I want, which I can't really decide on. Whether to just leave it straight, kind of contour it to the body panel, or these are just scrap pieces I got. Maybe do some kind of little turn down, turn up. Nah, definitely like a turn down or something, I think. Just try to keep it away from the window. I think that might actually look pretty decent. Just those two little pieces, nothing too drastic. Got the turn down done. Just in time for the fucking bottle to run out. It's really weird, like the blue is like obviously too hot, and then the pink right there is not good, but I've been having the issue of like, and I have like the biggest cup I have, it's a 16, but I don't know if I'm traveling too fast and then the gas isn't shielding like the beginning of the weld. I don't know, looks alright, but did this piece since it would be hidden to kind of dust the cobwebs off, but flange welds always turn out pretty good. Work on the butt welds though. Da 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 da. it up. Ended up just going with the little pie cuts. Pretty stoked.